Most of you guys asked me in the comments and on Instagram how to get my brushes. So I thought I would make a video on explaining how to get them. Now there are two ways you can get my brushes. The first way is easy but paid. Since it's the easy way, you need to pay 299 rupees and join as a member to get the brushes. That way you don't have to watch the video full or find any password or any stuffs like that. Simple and easy. The second way is hard but free. For this, you need to watch the video full without skipping because a 4-letter password will appear on the top right as card like this. The same way, there will be 3 more letters and you have to find them without skipping the video. One more thing, while watching, don't tap on the video like this or the card won't show up. Just watch the video full without skipping or touching the screen. I will leave the links for both the videos in the comments. Make sure to check out my other videos and leave a like and comment. I will see you in another video. Until then, keep creating.